Okay, so solving a right triangle. So we're given an angle and we're given one side. So we need to label our triangle. So opposite the angle is called opposite. The longest side is the hypotenuse, and the side next to the angle is called adjacent. Now it's also common to label, when we have ABC, the side opposite with the little variable. So I'm going to use A, B, and C. And we need to find the missing sides. So I'm going to first find side B. So what do I need? So I need my angle. So I need B. And I need the side that I know the length for. So this is going to be opposite over adjacent. And opposite over adjacent, this is going to be tan. Now, if you're not sure, what you can do, you can write so, ka, toa, and you can look at what you don't need. Now, we don't need hype, so anything with a H, we can cross out. So it means I need to use tangent. So tan theta, and now it's 20, so 20 degrees, is equal to opposite over adjacent. And now I can substitute in my values. So tan 20 is 6 divided by, now I'm going to use B because I don't know my side. And now I can multiply by B and divide by tan 20. So I'll have B is equal to 6 divided by tan 20. And I can put this into my calculator. So B is 16.48, and I'm going to just round this to the nearest tenth. So that is going to be 16.5. So I'm going to find side C. So for side C, I'm going to write down my SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. And this time, to find C, I'm going to choose two sides. So I'm going to use this side here. Just rewrite this. So this is hype and C. So I'm going to use this side. And I'm going to use this side here. So I don't need opposite. So anything with an O, I can cross out. And I'm going to be using cosine. So I have the cosine. It's a bit... Let's make that better. So the cosine of 20 degrees is going to be adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And adjacent is B, which we found is 16.5. And that is divided by hype, which is C. So I can multiply by C and divide by cos 20. So I'll have C is equal to 16.5 divided by cos 20. And if I put that into my calculator, 16.5 divided by cos 20 which will round to 17.6. So let's have a look at another question. Okay, so this one we're given two sides and we need to find the angles. So first of all, we'll call this angle A, and then we'll call this angle B, and we're going to label the sides. So opposite angle A is opposite. The longest side is hypotenuse, and next to angle A is adjacent. So we're going to find angle A. Now, opposite. So we've got opposite. So let's write SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. So we're going to use opposite, and we're going to use hypotenuse, and we need A. So we don't need adjacent. So anything with an A, we can cross out. So we're going to use sine. So sine, and it's going to be to the -1 of theta, which is angle A. So I'm going to put an A. This is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. So sine to the -1, A is 7 over 30. And if we do the inverse sine in the calculator, so shift and sine, 7 divided by 30, we will have 13.49, and we're going to round to the nearest whole degree. So this is going to be 13 degrees. Now, to find B, angles in a triangle must add up to 180. So angle B is going to be equal to 180 minus our 90 degree minus 13. So we will have 180 minus 90 minus 13, and this is going to leave us with 77. So B is equal to 77.